Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm reviewing the 3-tier side table nightstand. And honestly, this little piece surprised me in the best way. Let's get into it. This is a narrow 3-tier side table with a clean white finish that works pretty much anywhere. Your bedroom, living room, office, even the bathroom. Another thing I noticed, it's lightweight but feels really stable once it's set up. Assembly was super easy too. It took me about 10 minutes, no special tools needed. I love that it has 3 shelves. It's the perfect size for keeping a lamp or flower or other decor for your living room. Great for kitchen organizers. I also love how versatile it is. Right now, I'm using it as a bedside table. If you're looking for a simple, affordable, and stylish way to organize a small space, this 3-tier table is definitely worth checking out.